Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how to make these animated moving titles in Canva. In a new video project, add a video, add a new page, go to element, select a square shape, change the color to black. Add your text. Change the font to Anton and resize the text. Download the second page as PNG. Upload it to Canva. Now delete the second page and add it to the first page. Edit the image, remove the background. Resize the image to show only the title. Tap animation, create an animation, hold shift and move the image to the left. Set the movement style to steady. Now see how it looks. Delete the part where the animation stops. Preview it. Finally, let's add another title. Set the color to white. Use Anton font. Tap effect, select lift. Show the text timing. Tap animation. Select spread and scale it in. Now see the final result. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.